Alright, this is the elevator here at Plaza Tanarah in San Pedro Garza García. We have an Otis Gen2. So, pause if you want to read that. Here it is. So let me just point the camera down because there may be people on. It's glass! Didn't know that. I think this plaza has glass elevators. So, we're going to go up to 3. And door close button works. So let's look out here. Here at 3, which goes up to the station fitness. Here's your quick view outside. Right there's the Holiday Inn Express. We're gonna go down to parking level 3. And this down here is the restaurant. And here at parking level 3. Alright, back up to PB and we're gonna end it there. This is an Otis Gen2 from 2007. It's just your nice Otis elevator. And right there's Big Brother. Here are your fixtures and the anchor as well. Here right back at PB. And the button goes out. Point the camera down. Alright, and there it goes. And that's it.